1 hour later.
So people are going, it's the boy CJ. Where right now, me there in a S.H.A.R.E in Clarendon. Yeah. You have to find somewhere quiet to do intro videos. Well right now me come from Western Union and Clarendon. And I tell you say yo, the Western Union them jump up. You see me I say? Western Union them jump up. Can't get you a no Western Union. 2 Western Union there spalling and both of them full. Go I come from Frankfurt full. So just so I go on. I don't know what's spalling with there. This is the vlog. Make sure say if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. So Bwoii Cjay, big up. So the team there, you got Bwoii Trouble.Mekka.Squad. Tell her dog, yo, Western Union and them pot dog. You see behind that Western Union line, you see? That Western Union number 1. See the line up behind. Okay,
One minute, 37 seconds later.
So viewers, you know, say, I just get you. I try power, can't get none, you see? Can't get a tripod. So big up on yourself, a little bit. You see it, you know, so I saw you Western Union and things, so. So big up on yourself, keep safe.
I don't